Hello students, in this video I will solve remaining questions of exercise 4.2. This is the textbook of Cordova of class 7th. Okay, these questions are related to the rational numbers, so we will arrange the rational numbers in ascending order or in descending order, and we will find few rational numbers between given two rational numbers. All these questions are very interesting, so we solve them one by one. Question number 5 is in ascending order. The given numbers are, I am solving first part, minus 7 upon 4, 5 upon minus 12, minus 3 upon 16 and 3 upon minus 8. So we check the numbers again, 7 4, 5 12, minus 3 upon 16 and 3 upon minus 8. We have to arrange them in ascending order, means from smaller to bigger. तो सबसे पहले स्मॉलर नंबर होगा, उसके बाद उससे बिगर and at last the biggest number. So simplify them. As you can see that all these rational numbers are negative, so we will simplify these by putting the negative sign with numerator. So this is 7 upon 4, this is minus 5 upon 12, this is minus 3 upon 16 already, and it is minus 3 upon 8. So it doesn't matter whether the numerator is negative or denominator is negative. Now take the LCM of denominators. So we write LCM of 4, 12, 16, 8 is, think the biggest number 16. Now जो भी नंबर 16 की टेबल में आएगा और वो नंबर अगर इन सभी की टेबल में है तो वही एलसीएम होगा. Many times I explained you this concept. So 16 की टेबल में 16 1 जा 16, 16 2 जा 32 and 16 3 जा 48. 48 is divisible by all these denominators. So 48 is the LCM. Okay. Now we will convert the denominators in 48 by multiplying with a proper number. So we have minus 7 upon 4 into, to convert 4 into 48 we multiply by 12. Okay, because 12 4 ja 48, so it is 12 upon 12, then minus 5 upon 12 into 4 upon 4. To convert 12 into 48 we multiply by 4. So we multiply the given rational number by 4 upon 4. Next is minus 3 upon 16 into 3 upon 3, and finally it is minus 3 upon 8 into 6 upon 6. Okay, then we will write the resulting rational numbers. So it is minus 84 upon 48, minus 20 upon 48, minus 9 upon 48 and minus 18 upon 48. Okay students, note it down because I need to erase this. And to write the numbers in ascending or descending order, the denominator plays a very important role. Now ascending order means smaller to bigger, तो सबसे पहले हमें स्मॉलर नंबर लिखना होगा. डिनोमिनेटर्स आर ऑल सेम, तो जो भी न्यूमरेटर स्मॉलर होगा वो रेशनल नंबर भी स्मॉलर होगा. तो इन सब में स्मॉलर नंबर कौन सा है? इन सब में स्मॉलर नंबर है minus 84. लिसन, इफ द numerical value is bigger of a negative number then it is the smaller. तो 84 अगर पॉजिटिव होता है तो सबसे बिगर होता है, बट ये नेगेटिव है तो सबसे स्मॉलेस्ट होगा. सो इट इज minus 84. नाउ वी राइट ascending order is minus 84 upon 48. देन इससे बिगर कौन सा होगा? -20. minus 20 upon 48, then comes minus 18, and finally it is minus 9 upon 48. And now we will write the relevant rational numbers which are present in the given question. तो minus 84 upon 48 ये फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन था, ये हमें फर्स्ट फ्रैक्शन को कन्वर्ट करने पे मिला था, मींस minus 7 upon 4. Okay, this is the smallest. Then minus 20 upon 48, this is second fraction. So second fraction was 5 upon minus 12. Then minus 18 upon 48, this was the last. So last fraction in the question was 3 upon minus 8, and finally so third rational number is minus 3 upon 16. So this is the required answer. These rational numbers are in ascending order. It is the answer of 4.2, fifth first part. Okay, so we should check it. Fifth question, first part, minus 7 upon 4, 5 upon minus 12, 3 upon minus 8. Okay students, now note it down. It is very easy question, but you have to understand the concept behind this, and you will solve the second part. Method is exactly same. Okay, there are total 3 parts, so I'll solve either one. Fifth part, it is third part. The numbers are 3 upon 5, minus 2 upon minus 3, 0, 1 upon 2, and minus 7 upon 6. Finally, you can see that both these are positive rational numbers. It is 0, it is positive, it is negative. Now write them as 2 upon 3, 0, 1 upon 2, and minus 7 upon 6. As you can see, the LCM of denominators is easily we can find. Biggest number is 6. So think the table of 6. 6 1 is 6, 6 2 is 12, 6 3 is 18, 6 4 is 24, and 6 5 is 30. Okay, 30 is divisible by all these. So LCM of 5, 3, you can write 0 as 0 upon 1. So it is 5, 3, 1, 2, 6 is 30. So convert all the denominators in 30. 3 upon 5 into 10 upon 10. Okay, and you can solve this step in rough notebook, then write the next step directly in fair copy. तो जब भी हम डिनोमिनेटर को कन्वर्ट करते हैं एलसीएम के अकॉर्डिंग, तो हम यहाँ पर डायरेक्ट लिख सकते हैं. तो 5 को हमें 30 में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो हमें इसको 6 अपॉन 6 से मल्टीप्लाई करना होगा, और ये कन्वर्ट होगा 18 अपॉन 30 में. देन 3 को कन्वर्ट करना 30 में, तो हम इसको 10 अपॉन 10 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, 20 अपॉन 30. 1 को 30 में कन्वर्ट करना है, तो हम 30 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे, इट इज 0 अपॉन 30. 2, so we will multiply by 15 upon 15, okay, and it is multiplied by 5.5, so it becomes 6 5 is 30. Okay, if you are right up to this step, then definitely you can get the answer. Note it down. Okay, now in ascending order, so you have to write the smallest number, then you can see that all these are positive numbers and this is the negative. So ascending order is, सबसे पहले आपको नेगेटिव नंबर मेंशन करना होगा. ओके, देन you can see that all these are positive and this is equal to 0, then you will write this number. Okay, next is whose numerator is bigger, that fraction will be bigger. So after 0 we will write 15 upon 30, then 18 upon 30, and finally 20 upon 30. And in the next step we will write the respective rational numbers which are equivalent to these. So we will select from the given question. Okay, Note it down. Here I write the remaining steps. तो फर्स्ट जो स्मॉलेस्ट रेशनल नंबर है वो है -35/30. इट इज द लास्ट. सो लास्ट कम्स फ्रॉम -7/6. सो फर्स्ट स्मॉलेस्ट फ्रैक्शन इज -7/6. नेक्स्ट इज 0. ऑब्वियसली इट इज 0. नेक्स्ट इज 15/30. इट कम्स फ्रॉम हियर. So it is 1/2. Next is 18/30. It is the first rational number. So it comes from 3/5. Finally, the biggest rational number is 20/30. It is 2/3. It is the second rational number, -2/-3. This is the answer of third part. Note it down. Third part of question number 5. -7/6, 0, 1/2, 3/5 and -2/-3. And when you write the fractions in descending order, you have to use the same concept. Okay. Now there is a very little difference between ascending and descending orders. Okay, so you will solve question number 6, that is about descending order. Question number 7. Find three rational numbers between. First part is -3/30 and 5/13. Three rational numbers. As you can see, the denominator is same. So think about the numerators. आपको चेक करना है कि न्यूमरेटर्स की जो रेंज है, दोनों न्यूमरेटर्स की जो रेंज है उसके बीच में आपको 3 इंटीजर्स मिल सकते हैं क्या. लिसन, -3 and 5, द डिफरेंस इज 8. तो आपको नंबर लाइन पर -3 और 5 के बीच में बहुत से नंबर मिलते हैं. इजीली वी कैन फाइंड एनी 3 इंटीजर्स. सो द आंसर इज -3 and 5. यू कैन राइट -2/13, -1/13 and you can write 0 also. Okay, listen, on the number line it is -1, -2, -3, 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. -3 and 5, there is -3 and 5. You have to select any 3 integers. कोई भी 3 इंटीजर आप सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं और उसमें न्यूमरेटर की जगह -13 को हम फिट कर सकते हैं इजीली. सो दिस इज द आंसर एंड योर आंसर may be different from the book. So don't worry, because कोई भी 2 रेशनल नंबर्स के बीच में इनफाइनाइट रेशनल नंबर्स होते हैं. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, दिस इज फर्स्ट पार्ट एंड द आंसर गिवन इन द बुक इज -2/13, -1/13. सेम आंसर इज गिवन, नो प्रॉब्लम. This was the 7th question. And question number 8. Insert 5 rational numbers between -2/7 and 3/-5. 5 rational numbers. Listen, now simplify these as -3/5, because when you consider a negative fraction with a negative numerator, then it will be easy to calculate it. तो हम इस नेगेटिव साइन को 3 के साथ कंसीडर करेंगे and it will be converted as -3/5. Now the LCM of denominators is 35. So convert the denominators. तो आप -2/7 को 5/5 से मल्टीप्लाई करेंगे जिससे कि डिनोमिनेटर 35 में कन्वर्ट होगा एंड -3/5 को 7/7 से कन्वर्ट करेंगे. It is equal to -10/35 and -21/35. Okay, and to write 5 rational numbers, just focus on the numerator. -10 और -21, इनके बीच में बहुत सारे इंटीजर्स हैं, तो आप कोई भी 5 इंटीजर सेलेक्ट कर सकते हैं. ओके, -10 and -21. See, on the number line it is 0, somewhere it is -10 and somewhere it is -21. तो आप कोई भी 5 रेशनल नंबर सिलेक्ट कर सकते हैं इजीली. नो नीड टू राइट दिस. सो इट विल बी -11, -12, -13, -14 and -15. And write the denominator as 35. This is the answer. Okay, answer of question number 8. Next question is question number 9. This is very easy. There are 6 parts. I solve any 3. First, minus 7 upon 11 and 0. You know that 0 is bigger than any negative number. Third part, 7, and it is minus 84 upon minus 12. Okay, नेगेटिव एंड नेगेटिव इज कैंसिल्ड एंड 12 7 84. अगर आप 84 को 12 से डिवाइड करेंगे तो 7 क्वोशंट आएगा. 12 7 84. सो अल्टीमेटली इट इज इक्वल टू 7. ओके, नेक्स्ट इज 6th part. You will solve the remaining parts. 5 and it is 15 upon minus 4. Listen, it is positive number, it is a negative number, and a positive number is always bigger than a negative number. So I solved only 3 parts of 9th question and you will solve the remaining parts, because maths is all about practice. जब तक आप खुद क्वेश्चन सोल्व नहीं करेंगे आपको कॉन्सेप्ट जो है वो क्लियर नहीं होंगे. एंड फाइनली 10th question. It is the last question of this exercise. Which of the two rational numbers is smaller in each of the following pairs? Which is smaller? First is 4 upon minus 15 or minus 1 upon 10. Okay. Now simplify as minus 4 upon 15 or minus 1 upon 10. We will use the same concept as we did in ascending or descending order. हम डिनोमिनेटर्स का एलसीएम लेंगे. तो एलसीएम होगा जो टेबल बिगर नंबर की टेबल में आता है, जो भी नंबर, और वो 10 की टेबल में भी अगर आता है तो वो एलसीएम होगा 15 2 जा 30. ओके, सो कन्वर्ट द डिनोमिनेटर इनटू 30. सो इट इज 15 2 जा 30 मल्टीप्लाई बाय 2 अपॉन 2 and it is 10 3 जा 30. Okay, now you can see that it is minus 8 upon 30 or minus 3 upon 30. Which is the smaller? Smaller means अगर डिनोमिनेटर इक्वल है तो जो न्यूमरेटर स्मॉलर होगा उससे रिलेटेड फ्रैक्शन भी स्मॉलर होगा. ओके, सो माइनस एंड माइनस 3. You can see that minus 8 is smaller than minus 3. So we write since minus 8 is smaller than minus 3, hence this fraction is smaller and it is associated with the first fraction. क्योंकि ये फ्रैक्शन हमने इस फ्रैक्शन पर कुछ कैलकुलेशंस परफॉर्म करके ही 8/3 को ऑब्टेन किया है. सो इट इज minus 4/15 is smaller, and the answer of question number 10th is minus 4/15. Okay, next is second part. Second part is minus 7/2 or minus 1/4. Again the LCM of 2 and 4 is 4, simply because this is the bigger number. 4 1 ja 4 and 4 comes in the table of 2, so LCM is 2. Now 7/2 is converted as this. We have to convert 2 into 4, so multiply the numerator and denominator by 2. Now it is equal to minus 14/4. Okay, or minus 1/4. Smaller fraction, so whose numerator is smaller, the fraction will be smaller. तो minus 14 और minus 4 में smaller क्या है? minus 14. Give the reason. Since minus 14 less than minus 1, hence this fraction is smaller and it comes from first fraction. So minus 7/2 is smaller. This is the answer of 10th question, second part. Minus 7/2 2. Okay students, so we have completed the exercise 4.2 and this chapter is finished. Next chapter will be related to rational number also, but we will perform some interesting operations on rational numbers. Okay students, and you have to solve those parts which I missed in this video. Be sincere. All the best.